Okay, y'all, we got to start out by saying AUXITO did hit me up and offer me some free products in order to review them and post some videos. So I did head over to their website and selected LED bulbs and entered my vehicle, year, make, model. And I'm only looking at low beams, so we hit that. Now, they have a few options, including some that are insanely bright, and they did try to push me towards the brighter bulbs, but based on previous experiences, I didn't want the brightest ones. And these are, I think, the dimmest ones that they offer. But, you know, spoiler alert, they are plenty bright, and they are kind of close to the brightness of the original halogens. And I'm pretty happy with that. So let's go ahead and unbox them. We do have some pretty decent packaging here, which frankly, I don't care about. As long as it shows up not smashed. The fanciness of the packaging doesn't matter to me. The instructions are pretty good, pretty straightforward. The light itself, the manufacturing looks pretty nice. The finish is pretty nice. Got a good seal on it. Let's get them in there. Okay, we got some dingy yellow halogens in here right now. Not very bright. We're gonna start with the passenger side because that's the one that's harder to get to. The airbox is really in the way. I can't even get a clear video of where the back of the bulb is. My phone won't fit down in there, but it's right there, right at the very corner. It's the outside-most light. Some people will take off the airbox here, give you a little bit more space, but I can reach in right by right here and sneak my hand all the way back in there, give it a turn, and it'll click out. Yeah, it's kind of hard. There we go. Now, in order to get this bulb out of the clip, you got to open up those upper dark gray clip tips there. I tried to use a screwdriver at first, but that really actually didn't help me very much, and I might have ended up breaking them. But instead, I just kind of pried one up with a finger and wiggled the light back and forth, and it snapped out. Snap in the AUXITOs. Slide it up in there. It's kind of hard to see where it is, but once you get the the tip in, you can kind of figure out the rest. You can see from the outside of the light as well if the tip is in there, and then just rotate it. And I got a little bit of a positive click on this one. And there we got a comparison. Look how yellow that halogen is and how nice and crisp and white the AUXITO bulb is. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna move over to the driver's side now. This one's much easier to reach and came out easier than the other one. Just really not much click to it at all, actually. Same thing, it was a little bit easier for me to get the bulb out of the clip this time because I didn't mess with the screwdriver. Just spread them a little bit and wiggle it back and forth, and it came out. Snap it on, feed it back in there. Now, if you have any flickering issues at all, which can be common with this type of bulb, just get one of these CAN bus decoders from AUXITO and it will square you away. It's very straightforward. You pull the bulb out, you put the decoder on, and you put the bulb back in. The results are great. I'm very, very happy with these. They're very bright. The flicker's gone, and I will be getting some more bulbs from AUXITO to try for both my van and my Volkswagen Passat. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe, like, comment, you know, say hi, whatever. Thanks for watching.